the Earth's changing heartbeat. We all live on it, the planet that keeps spinning, never stopping. But what if this planet's heartbeat changes a little faster than usual? This isn't science fiction, folks. This is the latest news from our home Earth. According to a report from Time and Date, based on analyses by geophysical researchers, Earth's rotation is expected to be slightly faster than usual. Sounds trivial, maybe, but behind this micro-acceleration, there's a lot of fascinating stories and questions emerging. July and August 2025. 2 months we might remember as the moment when Earth stepped on the gas a bit. It doesn't mean we'll suddenly wake up to the sun in the wrong place. It's not that dramatic. We're talking about a fraction of a millisecond, a very small change, but significant enough for scientists who measure time with extraordinary precision. It's a reminder that this planet we stand on isn't a static object, it's alive. It moves, and sometimes it surprises us. Imagine our days will be a little shorter. The same goes for tectonic plate movements, major earthquakes, and even mountain erosion. All of these involve the redistribution of mass on and within Earth's surface. This wobble has its own cycle, and when it reaches a certain point, it can affect the overall rotation speed. So, it's a combination of many internal and external factors of Earth working together. Earth is always seeking its balance, and sometimes, to achieve it, it has to adjust its rotation slightly. We're talking about milliseconds. Our wristwatches, phone clocks, even the kitchen wall clock won't show any difference. Our modern technology, especially that which relies heavily on precise timing like GPS systems, telecommunication networks, and satellites, will feel the impact the most. Imagine an ice skater extending their arms and then pulling them in. Their speed will increase. The principle is similar. If Earth's mass shifts slightly towards its axis of rotation, its speed can increase. And that, my friends, is a wonder worth pondering. Why is Earth suddenly speeding up? Earth keeps moving, keeps changing, and scientists are constantly monitoring it, trying to understand every beat. This is a perfect example of how small changes in the universe can create significant homework for us, the inhabitants of Earth, to keep learning and adapting. Now, this is the intriguing part. What makes the Earth suddenly speed up? Geophysicists have several pretty plausible theories. This means that engineers and scientists managing these systems will have to make adjustments. Wind movements, global weather patterns, and even ocean tides are all influenced by Earth's rotation. However, again, this very small change is highly unlikely to cause sudden superstorms or giant tidal waves. Its effects will be at a level that needs to be monitored by climate experts, and they will incorporate this data into their prediction models. They might need to add a negative leap second. Usually, we add a positive leap second to keep atomic clocks synchronized with Earth's rotation, which sometimes slows down. But this time, the situation is reversed. The first and most frequently mentioned cause: Earth's core. Our Earth has a scorching hot core, and a part of it is liquid. The movement of molten magma within the Earth's core can be likened to water in a glass that we spin. If that liquid moves or shifts, it will automatically affect the speed at which the glass spins. A slight change in this liquid core's flow can have a small effect on Earth's global rotation. Second, changes in ice and landmass. Over thousands of years, polar ice melts and reforms. Researchers have also noted that the Chandler wobble is experiencing a unique phase. The Chandler wobble is a small wobble in Earth's axis of rotation, much like a slightly unbalanced, spinning top. So, what's the impact on us? The most important question: what's the impact on our lives on Earth? Will we feel dizzy? Will our clocks need to be reset daily? For most of us, the direct impact is practically imperceptible. If Earth's rotation is slightly faster, then the time measured by atomic clocks will be slightly out of sync with Earth's position. Other, more subtle impacts could be felt in natural phenomena. Ultimately, the acceleration of Earth's rotation in July-August 2025 is a reminder of our planet's amazing dynamics. So, as we enjoy July and August, remember, Earth is speeding up a little for us.